What's up? Another video. Just got a box in. Got a tackle warehouse box. Let's dive in. A lot of this is some organization, getting all new terminal tackle, and getting ready for Florida. So right off the bat, I got some more MR6s because, well, I'm in love with these things. I got the Louisiana shad and the bluegill. Also, I got, this was wrong. This was on my bad. I meant to order 2 of these. And I ordered 3. Oh well. You never have too many. What I meant was to order 2 packs of these. Eco Tungsten, 1/4 ounce. I meant to order 2 of these. Only ordered 1. Oh well. Bam. Right here. Z-Man Project Z weedless. Black and blue. I hate how they put it in this little thing. Black and blue chatterbait. That's a 1/2 ounce. I've got a 3/8. I have a hard time keeping a 3/8 in the water. I'm almost thinking about going to 3/4 because there's times where I have a hard time keeping the 1/2 ounce in the water. And then heavy duty wide gap 5/0. Placing all my hooks except for my 3/0 because I have a bunch of them. Last but not least, the bulk of my order. One thing. Oh yes. The Bass Mafia terminal coffin. Here you go. I'm stoked about this. This is awesome. I'm in love with this. I'm ready. I've seen so many videos. I always thought, man, I'd never order that. That's almost kind of ridiculous. Like, it's a lot of money for what it is. You know what? I got one. So I think it's a great idea. So, you know what? I'm gonna stock this thing up. Give me just a minute, and the next part of this video will be me showing you what all I put in here. Stay tuned. Well, originally the second half of this video was supposed to be me showing you my setup tackle coffin. Well, I didn't have everything I needed. I still don't, but I do have another tackle warehouse order. Of course, you got another sticker. I'm getting a bunch of stuff for Florida. So I got some black and blue creature baits, Googan baits, Bandito bugs, trench hogs. I got 4/0 heavy duty wide gap. Let's see. Bam. I got the tungsten. I only ordered 1. I ordered some more, 1/4 ounce. Some more MR6s. Oh yeah. I got a pearl, what color is this? Pearl Ghost chatterbait. And some trailers. Another big thing, I'm really into all this stuff now. I got the Bass Mafia line bag. Been trying to figure out a way to keep my line, make it easier to spool. In here I can take the dividers out and put the big rolls in here because I don't have 10 different kinds of line, so I can take them out and put the 600 yard spools that I buy in here. So I got more stuff to add to the box. One more order that should be in this time next week, and then this video will finally be uploaded. Actually, I'll probably upload this video and then show you guys. So sorry, my bad. Working a lot, but more stuff is coming, and the GoPro's going with me to Florida. So stay tuned.